all my dear children. Safe at your home. Don't go to outside to play. Okay. So you have to learn the previous classes. Question number 1 to 4 from mixed bag exercise. Now we are going to learn question number 5 from mixed bag. Okay. So the question number 5. What they ask? So find the profit, loss, CP or SP as required by filling in the yellow boxes. So here one box was given. So here cost price, then overhead, then total cost price, SP and profit loss. So comes under some amount was given. Okay. From that statement we have to find out cost price or selling price, profit or loss. Okay. Yes. Now see question number 5. So find the profit, loss, cost price or selling price as required. So from the statement, the first question is, what was given in the first question? What was given? CP. CP is equal to 15 rupees 75 paisa. Okay. Then profit rupees 5 rupees 25 paisa. Okay. So cost price 15 rupees 75, profit rupees 5 rupees 25 paisa. This value we have to find out selling price. Selling price. What is the formula? You have to learn. You have to already learn. Okay. SP. Selling price. How to find out? So cost price plus profit. Cost price plus profit. So cost price how much? Rupees 15 rupees 75 paisa. Plus profit how much? Rupees 5 rupees 25 paisa. Okay. So we have to add the two values in under the working columns. Here also working columns. Okay. Rupees. Then paisa. So rupees comes under rupees column. Then paisa comes under paisa columns. Okay. So 15 rupees 75 paisa. Then profit 5 rupees 25 paisa. So normal addition 5 plus 5 10. 0 comes under one's column in the paisa place. Then 1 is carried over to the paisa place. Then 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 2 10. So 10 here. Then you put a decimal dot. Then 1 is carried over to the rupees column. Then 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 5 11. So 11 comes under 1. Then 1 is carried over. 1 plus 1 2. That is 21. So selling price rupees 21. Okay. The answer is equal to selling price rupees 21. Okay. Are you clear, children? Okay. Now go to the next sum. To the next question. B sum. What was given in the B sum? So cost price rupees 100. Then overhead charges rupees 10. Then SP selling price rupees 99 rupees 95 paisa. Okay. So from that statement we have to find out total cost price and profit or loss. Okay. Find total cost price and profit or loss. We have to find out. Then, so how to find out the total cost price? How to find out total cost price? So you have to already learn this, isn't it? So overhead charges was given in this sum. So we have to add overhead charges with cost price. So we get total cost price. Okay. So total cost price is equal to, so cost price plus overhead. Okay. Cost price rupees 100. Then overhead charges rupees 10. So totally 10 plus 100 plus 10 rupees 110 is a total cost price. So total cost price we have to find out Then SP was given already in the question. So selling price is equal to rupees 99 rupees 95 paise. So comparing total cost. So total cost price rupees 110. So selling price rupees 99 rupees 95 paise. Comparing the both the value. So CP is greater than SP. So CP is greater than SP means we get loss. Okay. So cost price விட selling price கம்மியா இருந்ததுன்னா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? loss கிடைக்கும். Okay. So loss ஓட formula so cost price minus selling price. So we have find out loss. So cost price minus selling price. So we have to subtract from a higher number to smaller number. Here cost price is the higher number. Rupees 110 minus selling price 99 rupees 95 paise. We have to subtract in the working columns. So rupees and paise 110. No paise. Then selling price 99 rupees 95 paise. So we have to subtract from 0 minus 5. So we have to borrow from that here. So we have to borrow next place 10. Here it once becomes 0. Then we have to borrow from 10. We have to 0 becomes 10s. Then 10s becomes 9. So from 10s we have to borrow once from one's place. So 10 becomes 9. Here also 10. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. We put here decimal dot. Then here also 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Here 0. We cannot subtract 0 minus 9. We have to borrow from next place. Then 10. So once becomes 0. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So answer is equal to 10 rupees 5 paise. Then loss rupees 10 rupees 5 paise. Okay. We get loss. Answer. Loss rupees 10 rupees 0 paise. Okay children, are you clear? Okay, we go to the next sum. Next question C. So what was given in the C sum? So cost price rupees 15,000 is 550. Then loss rupees 565 rupees. Okay. So from two values. So cost price rupees 15,550. Then loss rupees 565. So from this table, from this data, we have to find out selling price. So how to find out selling price? So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Okay. So cost price minus loss. So selling price value கம்மியாக இருந்தால் தான் நம்மளுக்கு லாஸ் கிடைக்கும். அப்போ காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் கிரேட்டர் தேன் எஸ்பி செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ். அப்போ காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் அதிகமாக இருந்தால் நம்மளுக்கு லாஸ் கிடைக்கும். அப்போ காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ்லேருந்து லாஸை மைனஸ் பண்ணோன்னா நம்மளுக்கு செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் அதான் ஒரிஜினல் செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். We will get original selling price. So cost price rupees 15,550 minus loss rupees 565. Okay. Then you are doing in the working column. So 15,550 then 565. So from that higher amount we have to subtract the loss. So we cannot subtract from 0 minus 5. So we have to borrow. So here 0 becomes 10. Then 5 becomes 4. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then we cannot subtract 4 minus 6. So we have to borrow from the next place. Then 5 becomes 4. Then 4 becomes 14. Okay. From 14 we have to subtract 6. So 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Okay. Then here also 4 we cannot subtract 5. Then we have to borrow from the next place. Then 5 becomes 4. Then 1 is carried over to the next place. Then 14 minus 5. Then comes 9. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Then here also no number here. Then 4 comes center. Then 1 is. So 14,000 985. The difference value rupees 40,985. So this amount is a selling price. So selling price rupees 14,985. Okay children, are you clear? Okay. Come to the D sum. What was given in the D sum? SP value. SP is equal to rupees 29,995. So profit rupees 1,235. From this value we have to find out cost price. Okay. So cost price. Selling price, profit was given. So cost price means so selling price minus profit. Okay. So selling price minus நம்ம subtract பண்ணோம்னா we get the actual cost price of this product. Okay. So cost price, selling price how much? 29 rupees 995 minus a profit 1,235. Okay. Now we have to subtract in the working columns. So 29 rupees 995 minus 1,235. Okay, then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, you put your commas, then 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, then 2 comes back. Then, so the difference value is rupees 28 rupees 760. So this amount is called CP, cost price of the particular product, rupees 28,760. Are you clear children? Okay, next go to the next sum. Come to the E sum. So what was the given? So SP rupees 32,176, then loss rupees 2,550. From this value we have to find out CP. So CP, so we have to know CP means SP plus loss. Okay. So loss நம்மளுக்கு क्वेश्चनல கொடுத்தாலே cost price value அதிகமா இருக்கும். So cost price value அதிகமா இருந்தனா so selling price ஓட loss add பண்ணாதான் cost price value அதிகமா இருக்கும். Okay children? So that formula is cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. So selling price how much? Rupees 32,176 plus loss rupees 2,550. Okay, both the value we should add under the working column. So rupees 32,176 plus loss 2,550. Okay, both the value we should add. Then 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 5, 12. So 2 comes under tens place. 1 is carry over to the 100 place. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. You put a comma. Then 2 plus 2, 4. Then 3. That is a new number. So 3 comes under 1,000 columns. 10,000 columns. Okay. So the both the value we should add. We get 34,726. So 34,726. So we get the cost price. So cost price rupees, that is your answer. Cost price is equal to rupees 34,726. Are you clear children? Yes. The F sum. What was given in the question? So cost price rupees 23,500. Then overhead charges. So overhead charges rupees 2,235. So selling price was given. So rupees 32,695. So from this data we have to find out total cost price. Why you have to find out total cost price? So the overhead charges was given, isn't it? So overhead charges kudutha we have to add with the cost price. The overhead charges add with cost price. Okay. Now we have to find. What are they? We have to find. So find total cost price and profit or loss. This is the total cost price. This is profit or loss and we have to find out. Okay. Then now total cost price. First we have to find out total cost price. How to find out total cost price? Actual cost price plus overhead charges. Okay, overhead charges. So actual cost price rupees how much? Rupees 23,500 plus overhead charges 2,235. Okay, now both the value can add. So comes under working columns. Then 23,500 plus 2,235. So both the value we should add. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 3, 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. Then 2 comes under. Then you put here commas. So 25,735. So rupees 25,735. So total cost price rupees 25,735. Okay. Then from this total cost price 25,735. Actual selling price rupees how much? Selling price rupees 32,000. 32,695. So both the value we have to compare. Selling price is higher. Selling price is higher than the cost price. We get what? We get a profit. Okay children. So selling price is common. Both the value you have to compare. So this value is higher than this cost price. So cost price is less than the selling price. So selling price is greater than the cost price means we get a profit. Are you clear? Then so now we have to find out profit. Yes, selling price is greater than cost price, we get profit. Then profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price how much? 32,695 minus cost price how much? 25,735. 25,735. Now we have to subtract here in the working columns. So 32,695 minus 25,735. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 minus 7 we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow. So from 2 we have to borrow. So 6 becomes 16. 2 becomes 1. Okay. So 60 minus 7. So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. So 1. From 1 we cannot subtract 5. So we have to borrow from 3 10,000. So here 1 becomes 11. Then 3 becomes 2. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We put here 0. We cannot put or we cannot put. Okay. Then so the answer is equal to the different value. It is 6,000. The difference value of both the value. So rupees 6,960. Okay. This is your profit amount. So answer is equal to profit rupees 6,960. Okay. Are you clear children? Okay.